Hello everyone, what's up? As you already know about ChatGPT and its mind-blowing work, if I talk about works, there are multiple books written by ChatGPT. बहुत सारे songs लिखे गए हैं. And if I talk about code, there is debugging of the code, there is creation of the code and explanation, and so on. But being the user of the ChatGPT, you should know about prompt engineering. In prompt engineering, you ask the sahi questions to get the sahi result. It's just in your asking question skills. Well, in this video, you got to know about prompt engineering and the three most important ChatGPT work which can save ton of your time as well as enhance productivity. And I'm damn sure you might not know at least one of them. So let's get started. So the first one is summary. If you want the summary of any web page, go to that web page. Copy the link, paste the link, write the message like summary in 5 minutes, and then you're gonna get the summary of whatever inside that web page in just a second. Apart from that, same you have to do for the YouTube video. Copy the link, paste the link, copy the heading of that YouTube, paste, and then write summary in 5 sentences. And there you get. It was the 2 hour 28 minutes podcast and you're getting the summary in just 1 second. Other than that, you can also copy paste 1,000 of words and ChatGPT will gonna provide that explanation in 5 to 6 sentences. I'm telling the ChatGPT to give me the explanation, and this is how ChatGPT work. All the data compiled into 2-3 sentences. Moving on to its next stunning service, that is recommendation. Whether the recommendation is about movies, series, games, music, ChatGPT is always there for you. Let's say, right, give me the 5 startups name. So this is what ChatGPT gave you. We can modify it. Let's write, give me the tech names. And you can see you have said the tech names and ChatGPT converted the previous names into the tech. Let's be more specific. Give me the Indian's name. And this is how ChatGPT prompt engineering works. And that's how prompt engineering works, where you give the specification in the question so that you get the actual required answer. Okay, moving on to the next, that is tone. Hopefully ChatGPT is well trained to rewrite your word in whatever tone you wanted. I have a sentence, I wanted to eat an ice cream. Let's change the tone of the sentence. And this is the formal tone. And this is the horror tone. And this is the playful tone. So whatever sentence you give, the ChatGPT can change the tone in whatever way you want it. Let me know how was the video in the comment section.